Hi! If you want to become a data scientist, if you want to find a better data science position, then I have something for you. And the something is data science job course that I've been running for the past 3 months, and it's still there. It's even bigger than before, and I want to talk you through the course. So basically, this is the course that I'm running on Thinkific platform, which allows me for a lot of personalization, allows me to do everything how I wanted to do. And I think this is a really unique course when it comes to giving you the knowledge on how to approach the job market in 2020 when it comes to data science related positions, when it comes to machine learning. There's basically a different video lectures with complete lecture notes, community of people, Q&A that you can ask questions. So it's really great to start learning. And it's also a live course, which means that I tend to add new materials, I tend to add new videos. The course is constantly growing, and you only pay once in order to get in, and then you have all the knowledge. So this is basically how I want to distill my knowledge into the actual course with practical advice. And here's what's inside the course. Basically, we start with data scientist essentials, introducing on how to become a data scientist, who is a data scientist, what kind of roles you can expect from like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer to like machine learning researcher and a bunch of others. And then I talk about data science resume. What's important in getting on your resume even before the actual job starts, even before the actual job interview. So for example, what kind of skills you need, why you need to have a GitHub, how to put a good profile on LinkedIn, and then how to approach learning data science. So this is something which is what I'm passionate about, is that I love explaining how actually you can build your career in data science and not only learn different stuff on like how to use Keras to build another neural network, because of course that's super important, especially later on in your career, but you need to think about in a broader terms from like what your employer actually expects from you and give that during the job interview. So then the chapter number 3 is finding data science job, and I talk about where to apply, how to find positions, also how to find remote positions if you want to work remotely, because that's in 2020 that's really possible. And there's the bonus materials that I keep on adding. So for example, there's like big summary on finding the data science job from zero to hero, one chapter on how to master a job interview, and there's also a free preview of the material should you do a PhD in order to become a data scientist. The answer is no, but if you're thinking about a PhD, that's also something to consider. You can watch that for free. Another great stuff is, as I mentioned, is you pay once for unlimited learning. I decided in the end to fix the price right now at $37, which is the usual price of the courses on Coursera. And I think this is the fair price for the course, which is growing, so you get much more. You can always ask me questions either here on YouTube or in the course. So there's a lot of value inside the course itself. And I'm also open to feedback and preparing materials, new materials, adding stuff that you have problems with or you want to have answered. So this is the intention behind the live course, that if you ask questions and it's especially a question that keeps on getting more often, then I do the whole video around it and add it to the course itself. Uh, so my credentials are basically, I was a research fellow at Oxford, did my PhD in Paris before that, was Forbes 30 under 30 for my startup, and I'm still building businesses around data science, and I'm involved in hiring data scientists, also doing data science myself. So being from those two sides, I can actually give you an advice on both how to grow your career as a data scientist, getting really technical, but on the other hand, also how the employer actually looks at you, what he or she looks for in a data scientist, and how you can help. So I think this is like really practical when it comes to the knowledge. And I haven't seen a course like that anywhere. You either get courses which are like general motivational courses, or courses which are super technical, like for example courses on machine learning by Andrew Ng on Coursera, or IBM data science, which are of course super great when it comes to technical stuff, but they teach you nothing about how to grow your career as a data scientist. And that's my primary goal here with this platform. So let me know if you want to attend the course. I will also give you the link down below in this video. Basically, the website is datasciencerush.thinkific.com, and then you're getting redirect directly to the course. And there's a bunch of stuff that I add to the course, like this lecture notes, different questions that I get asked, and stuff like that. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help, and I'm really passionate about growing career of other people and seeing them how they get hired in different companies. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Like the video for the reach, and see you in the next episode.